If you want to start content creation, but you're finding it so challenging, like so hard to become a content creator, you don't even know where to start, and you really desire to start creating content, this video is for you. I'll give you guides, tips, and tricks on how to become a content creator. Number one is get a niche. What is niche? What interests you? What you feel like doing. You know that if you start creating content on this topic, it won't be hard for you. That is your niche. So number one thing to do is to get a niche. That is your interest, okay? Number two, your phone is another instrument to begin your content creation. You see that small phone for your mind is small, abi? Who said you must have an iPhone before you become a content creator? No one says so. Who thought that thing? You can use your phone and start creating content. That one you're using now to watch me, start now, okay? Number three is lightning. Try as much as you can to go to a place where you have a good lightning, a bright light. So if you don't have ring light, LED light, I would advise you to use your window. Go straight. If you desire to go outside where you use a natural light, do it. What you're after is to start creating content. So go outside and start creating your content. Nobody cares. Fourth thing you should do is to be audible. If you don't have this mic, you shouldn't kill yourself. What you should do is use your normal voicing, okay? Use your voice. As time goes on, when you get the money to get your mic, you get a mic, though it helps to project the voice. But if you don't have a mic now, my dear, don't kill yourself. Just use your normal phone to do your content creation. With time, you get a mic to project your voice. Fifth thing you should get is stand. If you don't have any stand, any tripod stand, don't kill yourself. Get a table, get anything, or use this trick, peg trick, okay? Use peg to form your tripod stand. I also did that when I started my content creation. With time, I got my tripod stand. So don't let that limit you. Don't let that stop your progress. I don't know if you can hear me. Another thing you should learn is how to do video editing. You mustn't learn how to do this sophisticated way of editing videos. Just use your InShot, your CapCut, or come straight to TikTok and do your video, then edit it here. Just learn the basics of video editing and you are good to go. The last point I will drop here is the content. How do you get the content? First thing you should do is, I told you to get your niche, Abi. Follow those people that do the kind of things you do. I call it mentorship. Those people you desire to create the kind of their content. Follow them, copy what they are doing, okay? I didn't say you should carry that video and go and repost, no. You can watch their videos, then try to mimic what they're doing and do it. It's content. Let me give an example. You can see the way I'm coaching people. I teach people on different topics. I don't know if you get me. And you love what I'm doing. Watch my video. Try to redo what I'm doing in your own way and post it. That is content. Don't give a damn on what people say. I believe with this point, you will start creating your content without even thinking what anybody is thinking. Your target is to post something. So my dear, sit up and start creating content today. Don't forget to give me a follow, like this video, also share it so other people that are confused and scared to start creating content will benefit from this video and rise to their feet and start creating something today. See you in my next video. Bye.